In today's video, I'll show you how you can get the Black Friday deal on Kinsta. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into the website of Kinsta using the link in the description. Once you're here, you can now go and scroll down until you see these deals. So monthly and annual plans, wherein you can save 50% off for the first 6 months for the monthly plan, and annual plan would be get 6 months free. Take note that this is only valid through November 17 to December 2. So decide on which one you'd want to get. Let's say monthly plan, click on get a deal, and then you'll be prompted in here. So just go here into the monthly and then choose the subscription that you want. Let's say for multiple sites. And then now you can drag this slider. So depending on the kind of WP or bandwidth you would want to get. So here, I'm just going to go for billing based on bandwidth right here. So now the next thing is that we can click here on get the deal once you are done with your choices. And then notice that it's now just $58, which is the half of 115 because we would get 50% off because of the Black Friday deal. And now all that's left is to sign up for an account right here. So basically you just provide your first name, last name, email, password, and make sure to agree to the terms of service. Click and continue. And now once you're done, what's left is to just simply go and provide your payment information right here. Once you've provided that, click on continue. And then once the payment goes through, you have now successfully purchased a subscription here with a massive discount because of the Black Friday deal in Kinsta. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.